Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, my name's Andrew and I have blind cats. I've had them for the last 5 years. Generally they come to me as kittens, rescues, and I help and encourage them to live their lives as regular cats. How do we do this? With time, patience, love, understanding. They sniff out, map out, commit to memory their garden, their environment, their house, the mountain. They turn their disability into an ability to lead their lives as regular cats. They have learned to see with our eyes. They live with my other cats and we upload every day. And these are their day-to-day lives. What you see here, you won't see anywhere else. This is William. He's playing up in a tree. They come walking with me on the mountain. We have adventures on the mountain. Harry, another cat, he likes to rock climb. He's also blind. If you want to see something magical, if you want to see miracles, stay with the channel. I guarantee you will see both. This is Blind Cat Life with friends. This is Woody. Woody can see. The big white and ginger cat on the floor, that's Fergus, he can also see. These are friends of William's. My cats. And this is an olive tree in the garden. Here comes Dipper. Now Dipper's nearly blind. He's got partial sight in one eye. Dipper has had an infection in both ears. Mites got in there and it became so bad that I thought he could barely walk. His back was flopping round and I thought this was to do with a virus that he'd had about 15 months ago, a reoccurrence. But the vet treated the ears and Dipper's back on form again. He's climbing trees on his own. He hasn't done that for a long time. Here you can see him with his best friend William. Cats come and go. And when they come as kittens, these are regular cats I'm talking about. The kittens play for a while and then they go off. But the blind cats stick together. They play together. They have arguments, disagreements. They're just like other cats, but they always stay together. It's almost like a bond between them. And something else with the other cats. They don't, as they get older, they lose their ability for fun and to play. William's 5 now. William's always up for fun. He's always doing something, whether it's walking around the garden, checking the perimeter. He doesn't like other cats in his garden, by the way. He's very protective, territorial. And unusually, he will fight. And he is formidable when he has to be. So yes, the blind cats, they live their lives. They make the most of their lives. The other cats seem to take what they've got for granted, their sight and their day-to-day stuff. Whereas the blind cats, it's almost as though this day could be their last. So they want to make the most of it. They don't want to waste time by sleeping and watching. Well, they can't watch, can they? But listening to the world go by. This was one of these videos whereby there was so much going on that I haven't edited it. Now this is new. Now for those of you that come back subscribed, you'll know that that's the way that Harry comes down the tree. Now William's never done that before. He's never been right up to the top. Now he's going to the top of the tree and he's coming down identical to the way Harry comes down. How is this possible? I know the scent is up there. Kira's been up there. Harry's been up there. Hair Bear goes up there. So there is scent up there. But how is William now going to the top of the tree where he's never been before in his 5 years? And how is he coming down the tree exactly the same way as Harry does? He's blind. Now he's on the floor, so he's had enough of the tree. There are more questions than answers. I know so much more now than I did 5 years ago, but there's so much more to learn. And because they can't talk, they can't tell us. So we observe. But at the end of the day, it's my observations, what I perceive. It might not be right. You know, there could be a totally different explanation for what's going on. There isn't one definitive explanation with the blind cats. We can't speak Cattish and they can't speak English, and we just have to guess. Some of it is obvious. More is less obvious. So we live together and we learn together. This is Kira. Kira's blind. I believe in giving the blind cats a chance to live their lives as cats. I saw it a long time ago. I was in the right place at the right time. And I've had a chance to try and change attitudes, people's attitudes towards the blind cats. Won't be easy. We've had years of what I call the negative narrative. But more and more of you are watching the channel. and less of you are saying that term or that label, special needs. Blind cats are not special needs. They are special cats, not special needs. If any of you have any questions, let me know and I'll try and answer them for you as best as I can. Kira is also very good in trees. I have another blind cat called Momo. Momo is driven by the weather. She prefers warm weather, which is good in Cyprus. Kira doesn't mind springtime. The boys, they'll come out any time of the year. So William and Harry and Dipper. I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and as usual we will all see you again very soon.